Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Airtable. This is a fantastic way to delegate work across your team and keep everyone accountable for their responsibilities. Let's dive right in and get this set up. First, you'll want to head over to your browser and type in airtable.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the workspace where your project data lives, as this is where we'll be making all our changes. After logging in, you'll land on your Airtable homepage. From here, simply click on the data or table you want to edit. This could be a project tracker, a marketing campaign board, or any other base where you need to assign tasks to team members. Clicking on it will open up the full table view where you can see all your records and fields. Now let's add a new field specifically for task assignments. Look towards the top of your columns and you'll see a plus icon. Click on it to start creating a new field. This is where you'll define what type of information this column will hold. In the search bar that appears, type user and then click on it from the results. This field type is designed specifically for assigning people from your workspace. You'll want to name this field something clear like assignee so everyone knows exactly what it's for. This makes it easy to see at a glance who's responsible for each task. Once you've named it, click Create Field to finalize the addition. The new column will now appear in your table, and you'll notice that if you have multiple users in your workspace, you can select from a drop-down list of team members. This is perfect for teams of any size, as it keeps everything organized and transparent. Next, let's set up a more visual way to manage these assignments. On the left side of your screen, click Create New, then select Kanban from the options and click Create New View. This will open up a Kanban-style board, which is ideal for visualizing task progress and ownership. You'll be prompted to choose a stacking field. Go ahead and click Assignee. This tells Airtable to group all your tasks by who they're assigned to, creating a column for each team member. It's a clean, intuitive way to see everyone's workload at once. Now comes the fun part. Here you can assign a task directly on the assignee column. Simply drag any task card to the user you want to assign that task to. The drag and drop functionality makes reassigning tasks quick and effortless, especially when priorities shift or workloads need balancing. And that's it. You've successfully set up task assignments in Airtable and created a Kanban view to manage them visually. Your team now has a clear, organized system for tracking who's doing what. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.